You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the pointer on an iPad. Let's get straight into it. The pointer on iPad works almost the same way as it does on a regular computer. Just like with a MacBook or a Windows laptop, you can connect a mouse or a trackpad. And once it's paired, a pointer will appear on the screen. But unlike the arrow you normally see on a computer, the pointer on iPad is a circle. This is because iPad OS is designed to be a bit different from desktop operating systems, and Apple has made the experience feel unique to touch-based devices. When you use the pointer on iPad, you'll notice it behaves slightly differently. It's designed more for targeting specific items rather than general precision. That means it's not quite as exact as the pointer on a Mac, but for navigating menus, selecting text, or switching between apps, it does the job well. To use it, all you need is the right accessory, whether it's a Bluetooth mouse, a trackpad, or something connected via cable or the smart connector if your iPad supports it. Once it's set up, you can customize how the pointer looks and works. Just open the Settings app, go to Accessibility, and look for Pointer Control. In there, you can make the pointer larger, adjust the outline color to make it easier to see, and even change the contrast and scrolling speed. These options help make the pointer more visible and comfortable to use depending on your preferences. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more iPad and iPhone tutorials. See you later.